Dictator Colonel Muammar Gaddafi was overthrown in 2011 during the Arab Spring. At the time, it looked like the revolution would lead to a brighter future for Libyans, but the country's struggles were far from over. The first leader after Gaddafi was toppled, former Libyan Prime Minister Dr. Mahmoud Jibril, visited the sea complex recently at DU to talk about his hopes for Libya. He explains there are essentially two types of economy: the militia economy and the terrorist economy.
And there was no oil production for so many months now. Our financial assets abroad are frozen. Black market is flourishing in Libya. The value of the Libyan dinar is downhill. Now the dollar equals 5 Libyan dinars, which unprecedented in the Libyan history. There is no trust in the Libyan banks because Libyans are afraid if they withdraw some money, they're going to be kidnapped for ransom. What's the replacement? Was the militia and the terrorism economy.
Jibril says the international community, including the U.S., is largely to blame for Libya's current insecurity.
Well, they should have realized that after Gaddafi was down, that Libya became a stateless society. They should not have left before helping us rebuild our institutions. So at least we have a strong state power. Unfortunately, by the moment Gaddafi is out of the scene, the international community pulled out, as if mission is accomplished, which was not the case at all.
With the world changing so quickly, Jibril says looking at trends may help to predict what's next. He suggests the work being done at the Frederick S. Pardee Center, a hub of long-term forecasting and global trend analysis, is invaluable.
I think this is the significance and the importance of such think tank centers as the Pardee Center, The model that I've seen today is a very ambitious, comprehensive model that can help minimize the occurrence of a crisis all over the world, If used and taken seriously, if used the right way, I think the number of crises taking place in the world will be minimized substantially.
The former prime minister admits there are no easy solutions to Libya's instability, but he does have simple advice for the next president of the United States.
Try to understand Libya from a Libyan perspective, that the real legitimacy is not the recognition of the international community, it's the recognition of the Libyan people.